Feeling stressed out all the time? Here's the secret to finding calm in just a few minutes a day. The best essential oils for stress relief. We all know that stress can take a serious toll on our health mentally, physically, and emotionally. Whether it's work deadlines, family responsibilities, or just the demands of daily life, stress can feel overwhelming. And despite trying to relax, sometimes nothing seems to work. The constant feeling of being on edge becomes the new normal. But what if there was a natural, simple solution to help you relax and unwind? Enter essential oils, nature's little stress busters. These powerful plant extracts can help calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation, all in just a few deep breaths. But not all essential oils are created equal. Some are particularly effective at easing stress and boosting your mood. The problem: why traditional stress relief methods don't always work in today's fast-paced world. Stress is almost inevitable. Many turn to quick fixes like junk food, alcohol, or even prescription medication to cope. While these might offer temporary relief, they don't address the root cause of stress, and over time, can even worsen the situation. That's where essential oils come in. Instead of masking stress with unhealthy habits, essential oils offer a natural way to rebalance your mind and body without side effects. They work by influencing the brain's limbic system, which is responsible for emotions, memory, and arousal. The right oils can trigger a calming response in your body, helping you feel more grounded and at ease. The solution: the best essential oils for stress relief. Here are the top essential oils that can help you combat stress naturally. Lavender, widely known for its calming properties. Lavender is ideal for reducing anxiety and promoting sleep. Simply inhale its soothing scent or add a few drops to your pillow for a peaceful night's rest. Frankincense. This grounding oil has a deep, earthy aroma that helps ease feelings of anxiety and bring a sense of tranquility. It's perfect for meditation or moments when you need to slow down and reflect. Chamomile. Chamomile isn't just for tea. The essential oil offers relaxation and stress relief, helping to ease tension and promote calmness. A few drops in a diffuser can instantly change the mood of your room. Bergamot. Known for its uplifting yet calming effects, bergamot is often used to reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression. Its citrusy, fresh scent is perfect for invigorating your senses without overwhelming them. Ylang ylang. This sweet, floral scent has been shown to reduce stress hormones and promote relaxation. Ylang ylang can help create a peaceful atmosphere, reducing tension and promoting a more balanced mood.